Did you know most Mac users waste hours every week doing things the slow way? But today, I'm going to show you 10 powerful Mac shortcuts that can instantly boost your speed and productivity. And trust me, number 7 is a total game changer. Let's jump in. Press Command plus space. This opens Spotlight Search, your Mac's built-in superpower. You can open apps, search files, do quick math, and even convert units instantly. Once you get used to this, you'll stop clicking icons forever. Press Command plus Tab. This lets you quickly switch between apps without touching your mouse. Hold Command and tap Tab to cycle through. It feels like multitasking on steroids. Press Command plus Shift plus 4. Now you can select exactly what part of the screen you want to capture. Want full screen? Use Command plus Shift plus 3. Perfect for content creators, students, or anyone saving info fast. Press Command plus Option plus Escape if an app freezes. Don't panic. This shortcut opens the Force Quit menu so you can close it instantly. No restart needed. Press Command plus Option plus H. This hides everything except your current app. Perfect when you want to focus. Or hide your messy desktop in seconds. Press Control plus Command plus Q. Leaving your laptop? Lock it instantly. Simple, but super important for privacy. Hold the green full screen button on any window. Then choose left or right side. Now you can use two apps side by side. This is a productivity upgrade you didn't know you needed. Undo. Command plus Z. Redo. Command plus Shift plus Z. Made a mistake? No problem. This works almost everywhere. Editing, typing, designing, everything. Press Control plus Tab. Move between browser tabs instantly. No more clicking tiny tabs again and again. Select a file and press Return. Now you can rename it immediately. It's simple, but saves tons of time over a week. So those were 10 Mac shortcuts that can seriously boost your productivity. Start using just 2 or 3 of these today, and you'll feel the difference instantly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. And tell me in the comments which shortcut you're going to try first. See you in the next video.